How to loop YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to loop or repeat YouTube videos. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just play the video that you want to repeat. And after that, you can just tap on the save button below the video. And here with that, you can just tap and add it to the new playlist where you want to do the looping. And here with that, you can just go back and tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside your profile section, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on the playlist where you have saved the video. And here, once you are inside the playlist, you can just scroll down and tap on play all. And here with that, now you can just look for the loop icon and tap on it to enable looping. And once turned on, the video will repeat automatically. And that's it. That's how you can loop YouTube videos. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.